Hello everybody, I am Attila Otlaner. Welcome to a brand new video of nextstock. I hope you're all doing well. It's been 3 weeks since the last video, so we are due for an update. In today's video, we're going to go over the highlights of companies that recently reported, especially high-tech and others. And after that, we're going to go over the regular reporting for US and Canada, where we look into the different categories that we are following, such as the value stocks, dividend stock, growth stock, attractive ones, and the pricey ones. But before we start, I want to give a shout out to my team, Arsenal. The new soccer season has started, so let's go. All right, back to the stocks. Let's start with the highlights, and let's start with Apple. Apple reported a 10% year-over-year sales growth. Our price target for them has been lowered to $225. Amazon reported a 9% year-over-year sales growth. Our price target for them has been increased to $221. Meta reported impressive 22% year-over-year sales growth, and our price target has also been increased to $760. Microsoft reported 18% year-over-year sales growth, and our price target for them has been increased to $452, but they're trading a little bit higher than that. All right, some other companies that recently reported. ASML reported 35% year-over-year sales growth. Our price target for them has been increased to $986, and there is an upside for ASML. JD reported 28% year-over-year sales growth, and our price target for them has been increased to $40, and there is also an upside for JD. Airbnb reported 13% year-over-year sales growth, and our price target for them has been increased to $157, and there is an upside for Airbnb. And finally, AMD reported 32% year-over-year sales growth, and our price target for them has been increased to $187. And also for them, there is an upside. All right, that's the highlight for this time around. If you're curious about other companies' price targets I didn't mention, you can go to nextstock.ca and you have access to a price target for free for 30 days. Here you can, in the search bar, you can search for the companies that we are following. And if you also want to do a compare, you can compare multiple stocks with each other. Nextstock will then rank and see which one we think is better. Of course, we also have a top 10 list. So in this video, you see the top 3, but there you can see also top 10. And finally, we have the portfolios. Portfolios rank from less than $5,000, what we recommend from nextstock point of view to buy, and all the way up to $5 million. There are in total 11 different portfolios. So check it out. Let's start with the regular reporting. We start with the US market, and we start with the value stocks there. Top 3 at the moment: ExxonMobil, Bank of America, and a newcomer in United Health. Alibaba drops out from top 3. Now, JP Morgan should have been in this list as well, but nextstock's formulas makes them more on a sale at the moment, and because of that, we are not including them. Dividends in the US market: Pfizer, Verizon, and Ford makes up the top 3. Of course, dividend stocks gives cash back, so if this is of interest for you, you might consider them. If you're considering growth, pure growth, well, XPeng is number 1, Applovin is a newcomer on spot number 2, and Nvidia drops down to spot number 3. XPeng will soon report, so we shall see if they will retain top spot. Attractive category, this is more, here is where nextstock's formulas comes into play. And we are comparing sales growth with stock price growth, plus other trends, etc. C3AI at the moment is on the top spot, Charter is on spot number 2, and Elevance Health is on spot number 3. Novo Nordisk, who was in the list, is out from top 3. Now, C3AI will soon report, so we shall see if they will be still attractive after the report. Pricey ones is also part of the nextstock's formulas. This is the other side of the coin if you want. So most expensive SVC at the moment are Nvidia, followed by Broadcom and Arista. All right, that makes up the US market. Let's dive into the Canadian market, and we start with the value stocks there. Top 3 at the moment: Royal Bank, TD Bank, and Bank of Montreal. Dividends in the Canadian market, top 3 at the moment: TELUS, Teck Resources, and Bell. Growth category in the Canadian market: Endeavour Mining, followed by Wheaton Precious Metal, and we have a newcomer in Lundin Gold on spot number 3. Attractive ones in the Canadian market, Teck Resources is now on the top spot. Whitecap Resources on spot number 2 and Capstone Copper on spot number 3. Pricey ones in the Canadian market, Curaleaf, followed by BRP, and Bombardier makes up the top 3. Alright, this concludes the report for this time around. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one, hopefully in 3 weeks' time. Meanwhile, you can follow me in the socials such as X or Instagram. And you can also check out our website, nextstock.ca, of course. Always gather a lot of information before jumping ahead purchasing stocks. Until next time, bye bye.